telling you, I'm getting pissed off with these GoPros. They keep freezing, switching off, they don't always record audio properly. If anybody wants to fling me a DJI to try, DJI, I'm very tempted to get rid of these GoPros. What if I mean, the video quality is fine, it's good. For what I do, it's perfect. But they're just unreliable. I've got the media mods, I've got the remote, and sometimes they just don't work. Like you press the remote to record, and it does, but the sound doesn't record through the microphone connected to the media mod for no reason, other than the fact it's just been a pain in the arse. Then sometimes it'll just randomly freeze, which everyone knows about. You need to do the battery pull. I've lost tons of footage because of that. If I hadn't had so much money invested in these cameras, they would go. The media mod's 70 quid, the remote by itself is about another 50, and then you've got the cameras. But I'm not using the top of the line ones. This is a Hero 9, which is this main camera, and I've got a Hero 6 down there on the, is my kind of B-roll camera, if you like. But god, do they just annoy me sometimes. Anyway, GoPro ran over, so I'll make the change at some point. I'll go with, I think, a DJI, because I've got a DJI drone and it's great. Never had a problem with a drone. Apart from I crashed it, but it was still fine. So yeah, speaks wonders, I think. So that's my GoPro rant over. So I'm heading home now, off of Loch Braddon, so it's a bit wet, so might record, I'll record it, but I don't think I'll make a video out of it, you never know.